So okay, here we are discussing Indian economic service, the previous year questions paper one by one. So presently, as of now, we are dealing general economics paper 1. Paper 1 has two parts, part A, part B. Part A consists of 5 units and part B consists of 2 units, and first unit of part B basically deal with mathematical economics. So one question is asked in 2019 from discriminating monopoly. So question is here: a price discriminating monopolist produces its output with total cost function is given 50 plus 5Q and demand function Q1 55 Q1, and in market 2 70 minus 2P2 demand function is given. With all these informations, we have to answer the following question. First question: what quantities should the monopolist sell in each market? That is the value of Q1 and Q2 we have to find out. Second, what price should be charged in each market? That is price P1 and P2 we have to find out. Next, third question: explain the result in terms of price elasticity. How the different price elasticities enable the monopolist to practice price discriminations. So it means how different price elasticities is necessary condition for practicing price discriminating. Now come to the solution. What will be the solution? So we are given demand functions. So first, given demand functions, that is Q1 is equal 55 minus P1. So in terms of Q1, we can find out the value of Q1 is equal 55 minus Q1. This is number 1. In terms of Q1, similarly Q2 is equal 70 minus 2P2. 70 minus 2P2. So we need to find out the value of P2. That is, we must convert the demand function in terms of P2. So P2 72 divided 35 and half of Q2. So half of Q2. This will be the second demand functions. Now we can find out the total revenue in market 1. Total revenue in market 1, that is Q1. So P1 value 55 minus Q1, then there will be 55 Q1 minus Q1 square. This will be the total revenue in market 1. Total revenue in market 2, P2 Q2. So Q2, the value of P2 35 minus half of Q2. So we will solve 35 Q2 minus half of Q2 square. Half of Q2 square. These are the total revenue in market 1 and market 2. Now we are in the position to find out the profit. Profit, that is pi. So what will be the profit? Total revenue in market 1 plus total revenue in market 2 minus total cost. So what is total revenue in market? 55 Q1 minus Q1 square plus 35 Q2 minus half of Q2 square, and cost function is given. What is our cost function? Cost function is given like that, 50 plus 5q. So we can write 50 plus 5q means 5q1 plus q2. q1 plus q2. So their cost function minus how much? Minus 5 q1 plus q2 minus 20, since q is equal to q1 plus q2. So we just value of q1, q2 in two markets. Now profit maximization requires differentiation, derivatives of profit in respect of q1 and in respect of q2. That is, profit maximization requires profit maximization requires del pi by del q1 is equal 0 and del pi by del q2 is equal to 0. These are first order condition. First order condition. After showing first order, we need to show the second order also, that these are first Hicksian should be less than 0 and second Hicksian should be greater than 0. Both the conditions are required in order to ascertain the exact prices of the two markets and then quantities and elasticities also. So del pi by del q1 will differentiate pi, so 55. Here 55 q1. After differentiating, we will get it 55 minus q1 square, that is q1, 2q1 will get here. Next, here all are the treated as constant because we are doing in respect of q1, q2 will be treated as constant. So minus 5 q1, so we will get here minus 5, that would equal 0. So obviously 2q1 is equal 50 or q1 is equal 25. Next, del pi by del q2. Now we will differentiate profit function in respect of quantity 2. So quantity 2, this one profit function again, this one q2, 35 q2, from 35 q2 here come 35 and half of q2 square, that is here come minus q2, again here is coming minus 5 is equal 0. So 35 minus 5, so ultimately q2 results 30 units. So q1 we are getting 25 and q2 we are getting q2 is 30, quantity q1 we are getting 25. Now come to the second order conditions. Second order conditions. Second order conditions. What are the second order condition? Second order condition. Second order conditions. Second order condition, first Hicksian less than 0 and second Hicksian greater than 0. So what will be the first Hicksian? Del square pi by del q1 square. This is that is we are differentiating second time of pi in respect of q1 square. So when we differentiating second time of pi in respect of q1, this is q1 respect second derivatives, we will get -2. Result will be -2. Here we will get -2, which is less than 0. So satisfied first. Now second Hicksian is equal del square pi by del q1 square, again del square pi by del q1 del q2. That is this one second derivatives of pi in respect of q2. So q2 derivatives, again del square pi by del q2 and del q1 respect del square pi del q2 square. Now here you will get, already we find the value -2. Now you see, if we differentiate this line, again if we differentiate this one in respect of q2, nothing, we will get 0. The value will be 0 here. Value will be 0. 0. Similarly, del square pi del q2, that is this, if we differentiate del pi by del q2 in respect of q1, then again we will get here 0. Sorry, here will also be 0. 0. Now you see, del square pi del q2 square, if we differentiate this one in respect of q2 again, then we will get -1. So here we will get -1. So ultimately result 2, which is greater than 0. So first Hicksian satisfied, second Hicksian satisfied. Now we can find out, we are in the positions. Now we are in the position to find out the prices into market. Already we have got the quantities, the answer. This is answer of questions number 1. This is the question number 1, that is Q1 25, Q2 35. Now we need to find out the prices. P1 and P2 prices. This is answer of question 2. So what is the price 1? 55. P1 is 55 minus Q1. Q1 means 25. Then result will be 30. Again P2 35 minus half of Q2. Value is Q2 is 30. So 15 35. This one 20. So price P1 30. Price P2 is 20. In first market, monopoly charge price per unit 30, and in market 2, monopoly charge of rupees 20 per unit. Now come to the elasticities. First find out the elasticities in market 1, that is dQ1 by dP1 into P1 by Q1. So when you differentiate Q1 in respect of P1, so what we will get? Here you see, if we differentiate Q1 in respect of P1, we get -1. In format form, one minus is there because demand elasticity's result always negative. So we can use this minus sign. So here we get -1, that is 1 into P1, that is 30. Now the value of Q1, that is 25. 30 minus 25, so result is 1.2. Similarly, we can calculate the elasticity in market 2 del Q2 by del P2 into P2 by Q2. So when you differentiate Q2 in respect of P2, when you differentiate Q2 in respect of P2, that is -2. Here we will get -2 differentiate. So this minus 2. So minus plus. So 2. And the value of P2 is 20 and value of Q2 is 30. 0 cancel to 4 divided by 3. Result will be 1.33. Therefore, elasticity 2 in market 2, elasticities in market 2 is greater than elasticities 1. That is why price in market 1, market 1 is greater than price 2. That is why price elasticity become possible. Okay.